what do y'all want for Christmas?
A new pair of boots.
Are we getting each other stuff?
I don't know.
I would if I want.
I got money. I mean,
If we just buy each other something, why you just buy it yourself?
Chaps, that
It's the
doesn't
thought
make
that
sense.
counts.
We give you, no, we gave you, okay, look.
Buy something.
Remember that
Buy
last year I
something.
gave y'all all something and y'all never gave me anything
Because
back?
you didn't tell
Wait a
us.
sec, I gave you the amiibo things that one year.
Okay, besides those.
Okay, look, we're gonna have
Those are
names in the hat, and we're gonna
$12, Travis.
No, there were 15
we're gonna have
each.
names in the hat, and we're gonna pick names.
Secret Santa.
And then that person has to give you three things that they want, and then you pick one of those.
No,
There you go.
they can't be expensive.
I'm making a freaking Cars 3.
Huh?
I'm making a Cars 3. Who
They
wants
are?
to, you want to see the trailer? It looks kind of funny.
Wait, what?
He gets killed.
Ew.
I'm gonna have signal, so I don't think it's gonna work.
Where is it? You're following me.
So that guy made your exhaust?
Yeah, Travis, the guy that did my exhaust, he pulled up beside me, and we were talking. Yeah, it was crazy.
What was he driving?
He was driving some Tacoma.
How are you gonna do it?
Pretty lit story, dude.